Welcome to our channel. If you have forgotten your user ID for US Bank Internet Banking and cannot log in to your account, follow these step-by-step instructions to retrieve your user ID quickly. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the US Bank website. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. On the login page, look for the Forgot User ID or Forgot Login link below the username field. Click on it to begin the recovery process. Step 3. You will be asked to verify your identity. Enter your social security number, date of birth, and zip code associated with your US bank account. This information is used to securely identify you. Step 4. If you have an email address or mobile phone number registered with your account, select your preferred method to receive your user ID. US Bank will send your user ID to your registered email or phone number. Step 5. Check your email inbox or text messages for a message from US Bank containing your user ID. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you do not see it in your main inbox. Step 6. If you do not receive the user ID through email or text, or if you do not have access to your registered contact information, you will need to call US Bank customer service at 1-800-872-2657. Step 7. When calling, be prepared to verify your identity by providing your account number, social security number, and answers to security questions. The representative will help you retrieve your user ID over the phone. Step 8. Once you have retrieved your user ID, write it down in a secure location for future reference. You can now use it to log in to your US Bank Internet Banking account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.